et prête. Rends les choses faciles. Et sèche moi ces larmes.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today BTartbox was kind enough to send me this gel polish kit, and I will be doing some swatches on these, and in my next video I will do a look using these gel polishes. So right here, as you can see, it comes with the instructions. You get if you go on their website, you get 40% to 50% off, and you get a little light. I don't know how much wattage is in this, but if you do like gel extensions, you can use this for your gel extensions. And you also get some cute tools. You get a cuticle oil. Oh, I'm sorry, you also get the cord to that, and you get a package of items. One is cuticle oil. You get a dust remover. You get alcohol pads. I don't know what the other one is for, but I guess it's to remove the dust as well. You get a 100-180 grit file, and you also get a 100-180 grit buffer. And you get, if you do your toes, you get these to separate the toes. You get a dust remover, dust brush remover. You get a cuticle pusher. You also get a cuticle remover, and you get 15 gel polishes. Also, you do get a discount code if you do go to the website. I did put my discount code on the screen. I will also list it in the description box down below. And you get 15 bottles. They are 15 milliliters. They are kind of small, but hey, a little goes a long way. And so I will be showing you the swatches, and also there are some areas in it where it's kind of blurry. I tried to edit out as much as possible. Also, the bottles does not have any names on them. They only are by numbers. So I will go ahead and do the swatches, and I will let you watch, and I will be back.
Time's out, run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you.
If you're not sleeping tight, you know we're onto something. You hear the streets are crying, ocean turns into fighting. Take it to the streets, hit control the lead. Take it to the streets, hit control the lead. Warnings been spread wide, you can't do none to stop it. Posing is bona fide, but you're only causing riots. Words move from mouth to mouth. Justice is also troubling, all the way from north to south. It's been a long time coming. Take it to the streets, hit control the lead. Take it to the streets, hit control the Take it to the streets, hit control the lead. Take it to the streets, hit control the lead.
Alright, so in this next clip, I'm showing you how to use the reinforce coat. So what that does is you apply the polish, you apply the reinforce coat to the nail, and then you cure it for 60 seconds, and then you will put the top coat on and cure that for 60 seconds. So what the reinforced coat does is it protects the nail longer with you just by applying the top coat. So you apply the reinforce and cure it, and then you apply the top coat and then you cure it. Okay, so my review on these gel polish, I do love the gel polishes. They do go on really smooth. And one thing I don't like, I do not like the top coat. The top coat, it makes it, once you apply the top coat and cure it, it still has that sticky consistency. But then when you wipe it with the alcohol, it still has that sticky consistency. So that's the only thing I do not like about the kit. I do not like the top coat, but everything else is perfect. Alright, so the video is getting ready to come to an end. I would like to thank you for stopping by my channel once again, and I would like to thank BTartbox for sending me this gel polish set. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, to my newbies and to my oldie but goodies. Thank you for stopping by and watching my video, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Until then, toodles!
You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah. But get it, come to me, come to me, let's go. Come to me, Fatu mata jembele, oh Lord. The Fatu mata jembele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatu mata jembele, everything being safe again now.